Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Foret Design Solutions, coming to you from Lake Elmo at Cedar Grove Farm. And today I'm going to try to finish this fence, or at least as close as I can to it, to getting it finished. I'm going to run the tension lines on the top and the bottom of these posts, and then I have to put two gates together, hang those, and then wrap this with and then wrap it. Wrapping it should not take too long, honestly, but I had my guy call off today, so I'm going to be doing it myself. So I'm going to be using some clamps to go from post to post, which I've done it before, so it's easier with two people, but I'll do what I got to do. That's what happens. But here, I'm going to turn you around and show you what I got, what I'm going to finish doing here this morning before I start running these tension lines. All right, as you can see, this is a 10-foot wide gate right here, and I'm adding the second dead man post to this side. I had to pour some more concrete in this hole. For some reason, the ground is kind of soft there, and the concrete did not do what it was supposed to. So I threw some more concrete in there to make that a little more solid. And then that dead man post adds more stability since this is a gate. And there's one more on the other gate over there I have to add, and those are done. Then I just have to I'll show you. All these rings are going to sit here. Okay, we're going to run, I'm going to loop the tension line around there and connect it to that post, and then I'm going to run it to the corner post over there, and we're going to tension that together, and then we're going to run the top cable, and then do the same thing on the bottom all the way down, all the way around. Okay, then once we have that up, then we wrap the fence around the edge of this, and then after we wrap, we zip tie the fence to the posts, and then after we get it all zip tied, then we go around, and that tension cable or tension line that goes all the way around becomes a place to, there's a hog ring. This looks like a staple or something, but it ends up, it's like a staple gun, but you put it around the tension line and the fencing, and it wraps itself around it, connects it to the cable. So you'll be connected all the way across. So you put one every foot and a half across your cable or your tension line, and we'll do that on the bottom, and that's gonna make it so it's nice and secure to this structure. But that's what we're gonna do today. Might have to cut some branches out the trees over here to work comfortably. Yeah, there's a tree over here in the way, and maybe some branches on that tree over there, and those are all inside this grow area. But I'll make some videos once I finish these this dead man. Maybe I'll make a video of the dead man process of setting that post up, and yeah, we'll do that in a minute. But we'll be back in a little bit. We got a lot of stuff going on here at the farm. There's gonna be an event here tomorrow, a big party or something like that, and looks like there's a food truck, or I don't know what's being set up, but there's a big pavilion that was set up over here. I don't know if you can see it in the background over there, that big tent set up. And then I don't know what's in this truck over here. I don't know if you can see that, wherever. Boom. Over there somewhere. But, all right, everybody. Time for me to get to work. The sun is already getting really hot. And I want to be out of here by 4 o'clock today. So, I get stuck on traffic. In traffic for an hour on the way home. But as long as I get home in time, I can get to my gym tonight. Anyway, have an amazing day, my friends. Grow food, not lawns.